Hi, my name's Dan and this is the 2009 Kia Rio we have available in stock at Seaford MG. This 2009 model is the diesel engine with 5-speed manual gearbox and has completed 58,008 miles from new. The car comes with 15-inch alloy wheels. The interior is in fantastic condition and is grey and red cloth. The grey and red theme continues throughout with the red stitching in the door cards. The car's got CD player and air conditioning. If you would like any more information on this car or a personalised video, more than welcome to contact us at Seaford MG. Contact number 01323 898 818.